Contact for demo, pricing, and setup details. Automation and efficiency. If you are tired of manually refreshing VFS pages all day, this software can automate the entire monitoring process and help streamline appointment management professionally. The bot also includes advanced features like automatic retry handling, session recovery, and detailed rotating logs for stable long-term operation. Everything is optimized for speed. Once a slot is detected or successfully booked, instant telegram notifications are sent automatically. The software supports both seasonal work and long-term work visa categories and is designed for handling large-scale operations with support for 50 to 100 applicant profiles, helping users detect available appointment slots much faster than manual checking. Retrieve OTPs directly from Gmail using the Gmail API, and solve Google reCAPTCHA v2 challenges through secure integration. It continuously monitors multiple VFS application centers at the same time. Reduce manual work and monitor appointment slots automatically. This Python-based system can automatically log into the VFS Global portal. Looking for a fast and reliable way to book VFS Bulgaria visa appointments from India? Introducing the powerful VFS Bulgaria Appointment Bot, an advanced automation solution built to save time,